Today was really a momentous occasion for the South African rail industry. The closure of financing for this particular rolling stock transaction, styled as Project Vector. I think it's a leap of faith by the organisation and Traxtion particularly in taking this step forward in procuring locomotives and wagons for the uplift in volumes that the private sector will be bringing to rail. A lot of announcements have been made recently with the train operating companies coming on stream with their certification a couple of weeks ago, including Transnet Freight Rail, so there are 12 of them. Traction support for the train operating companies and the private sector initiative for the rail operations is going to be fundamental. We're looking for experienced operators who understand the risks in operating in the rail environment in South Africa, and with the experience that they've had in Africa, well positioned to support in some form or another the 11 private operators announced recently. Volumes that this investment will bring has been already notified to the market is probably only 5% of what South Africa is looking for. Currently, volumes TFR are doing 160, 170. We need 250 as a minimum. That volume, the 80 million odd tons difference, this is only a drop in the ocean. We are looking to the other 11 operators to take a similar position, make the necessary investments or lease rolling stock from established leasing organizations to be able to move the volume and migrate volumes from road to rail to grow the South African economy. We are seeking a growth of 3% plus. This is one of the ways we're going to do it. The current economic projections are really pedestrian at the moment. Growth 1.3% GDP, no gross capital fixed investment to speak about. It's half of what it should be. And somebody needed to take the bull by the horns. We need to push this so that we can get the economy back on track.